Hello, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good day to you, anywhere you are connected to us from, all over the world. This is TOSJOHN Consulting, your strategic business growth support partner. So, as we have promised you, in this year 2026, we will always be showing up to give you all the strategic knowledge, information, practical business compliances that will ensure that your business scale, thrive, and keep making progress in this year 2026. So if this is your first time of joining our YouTube channel, please ensure you subscribe to this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel, where you will get up-to-date information on all our practical, strategic business knowledge and information. So today's video is a very important video that as business owner, as entrepreneur, as professionals, you need to be aware of this Nigerian Tax Act. We have said a whole lot about it, and we will continue to say more on it until everyone is aware, get all the necessary knowledge about this Nigerian Tax Act, and then stay compliant, because that is the most important thing. We are not just dishing out the knowledge to you, we are dishing out the knowledge to you to ensure that you take advantage of it, be compliant, and of course, compliance now protects you and is also an asset for you. So today's video, just like you can see in the flyer, in the thumbnail title, how to reduce your tax liability legally in Nigeria, pay less tax and stay compliant. And this is legal. This is legal. Everything we are dishing out to you on this YouTube channel is compliant to the law. We have so many of our videos that we've put on our YouTube channel. So please make sure you watch them, like them. If you have any comments, please send us your comments. If you have questions as regards tax, as regards your business compliances, accounting, audits, CAC, we are your go-to professional consulting service, and we are always willing and ready to help you in your business journey. So today's video is a very important video, and you need to stay through on this live streaming to get all the necessary information that you need. So please make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. This is the best channel that you can ever be for all business owners, for all entrepreneurs and professionals. For young professionals, when they reach out to us and they ask questions, we definitely answer all their questions. And we don't stop it there. We also bring a video as regards to those questions, because we know that if one person should ask this question, it will also relate to other people. And we put the video on this YouTube channel for everyone to watch. So if you are watching this video now and this is your first time of joining this live stream, please make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel, because we will always be showing up on this YouTube channel and be giving you all the necessary information, practical knowledge that you need as young professionals, as entrepreneurs, as business owner. So let's go along in this live streaming session. How to reduce your tax liability legally in Nigeria. Pay less tax and stay compliant. So we'll paint this scenario to you. Imagine you are running a business or working hard all the year long, only to discover you pay more tax than you should have paid. You are paying more tax than you should have paid because there is a knowledge gap, because you are not well informed, because you don't know the tax law. And that is why we are here to bridge that knowledge gap for you. As your tax consultant, as your business consultant, as your external auditor, as your outsourced accountant, financial management consultant, we are all-round versatile professional consulting firm. We are accredited CAC agents for all your business compliance. You can reach out to us. So you are working all year round and you now get to know that you have been paying more tax than you should have ever paid. This will not be too good for you. If we tell you that many Nigerians overpay tax, not because the law says so, but because they don't know how to use the tax system to their advantage legally. Tax planning, tax strategies, tax avoidance, they are legal. It is only tax evasion that is illegal. And we have said it over and over on this YouTube channel in all our video that you are not paying tax on your total income, on your total revenue. You are only paying tax on your profit. And how do you arrive at profit? You arrive at profit after you have removed all your costs of sales, cost of goods sold, cost of services, then your operating expenses. Then afterward, then you can now be talking about your net profits. So if you are a limited company, you know that you will claim capital allowance. These are tax planning, these are tax strategies, these are tax avoidance that will help you to reduce your tax liability, the amount of tax that you are supposed to pay legally. So this is why we are here, to give this practical knowledge and information. And if you need any of our professional consulting services, we are a go-to professional consulting service. You can reach out to us. All our contact is on this YouTube channel. You can email us, you can WhatsApp us. We are always willing and ready to work with you. We are a global professional consulting firm. So we are willing and ready to work with you. So please make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel, because this is your channel. And we have taken it upon ourselves in this year 2026 to always be showing up here and assist you in your business journey. So moving on, in today's video, we will be showing you a proven way and legal way to reduce your tax liability in Nigeria without breaking any law and without risking penalties. Legal way you can reduce your tax, we'll be showing you on this live streaming. That is why you need to stay true on this live session. So if you want to keep more money while staying compliant, stay with us till the end of the video. You can save more money for yourself in this new Nigerian Tax Act 2026. It is a win-win for all business owners and entrepreneurs if you have the practical knowledge, which we are already dishing out to you on this YouTube channel. So you are welcome to TOSJOHN Consulting. As you all know, your #1 channel for smart accounting, tax, business, financial growth, CAC, business compliant, all round. We are all round professional, and this is the right place for you to be. So subscribe to this YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up that need all this information. So thank you for staying through on this live session. So like we said, if this is your first time, subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that we all show up on this YouTube channel. In fact, this YouTube channel is open 247 to all business owner, right? You will always be seeing our professional and wealth building video on this channel. So let's go straight into this topic of today. The point #1 on how to reduce your tax legally in Nigeria. Pay less tax and stay compliant. #1 point that you need to know is claim all allowable business expenses. Claim all allowable business expenses. There are business expenses. You are incurring expenses in that business before you generate your revenue from the customer. There's what we call cost of goods sold. It is legal deduction. It is an allowable deduction that you need to use to reduce your tax liability. For example, your revenue is 1 million and your cost of goods sold is 500,000. You remove the 500,000 from the 1 million revenue you generated, and you have 500,000 left, which we call gross profit. From that gross profit, you also have other expenses, business expenses. That's why we have said it over and over on this YouTube channel that as a business owner, business and your personal account together. Don't model it together. Separate it. Formalize your business. Register for taxes. We do all of that. And then open a business corporate account. And then look at what your business can afford to pay you as salary. Pay yourself. Pay yourself salary. And once you pay yourself salary, stop sending money from the business account every now and then into your personal account. And stop using your business money to be doing personal spending, payments. Pay yourself salary, and whatever you pay yourself, be doing the transaction from your personal account. So this will give clarity in knowing what are your business expenses so that you can claim it for tax deduction. This is very important. So claim all allowable business expenses. Number one is that you reduce your taxable profit through legitimate business expenses. There's what we call wholly and exclusive for your business. All business expenses that are wholly and exclusive for that business are legitimate business expenses that you can use to reduce your tax liability. So in Nigeria, tax is paid on profit. In any nation of the world, tax is only paid on profit. And when we tell people, they are like surprised. Maybe that is what is even bringing fear into the heart of people, that tax will take all my money away. No, you are only paying tax on your profits, and you are not paying tax on your total revenue. This means that the more valid expenses you record, the lowest your taxable income. Claim all the business expenses claimable. That is why you need to have record. We are here to help you to set up a proper accounting system, proper financial structure for your business, so that you record all business expenses. When you are making payments from your business account, narrate it, put description. This is for transport, this is for internet expenses, this is for salary, tax preparation. So the allowable deduction include rent and utilities. You all know, as a business owner, you will have a place or an office that you pay rent on. So it's an allowable expenses. The utilities, water, electricity, waste utilities, all those things, they are claimable. Salaries and wages are claimable. They are claimable. I was discussing with one of our clients, and we're having discussion that this ongoing tax, the ongoing Nigerian Tax Act is a welcome development. It helps business owners reduce all their tax liability, pay less tax if they can be compliant. And then the annual filing is already due. The filing is already due for payee. Is in fact, most payee now is over in most state internal revenue service. They are over. So the penalty time now will now start because the deadline is over. Why the personal income tax for entrepreneur, for business owner, the owner of business, is already ongoing, and by March the deadline will start. By March the deadline will start. Tax authority said that, okay, as a business owner, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for joining us. Please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. When the tax authority have already said that after your accounting year end, which is usually January to December, you are given 90 days. 90 days to file your personal income tax. So why delaying? Why waiting? So we are always here. We are your go-to professional consulting service for tax, for audit, for accounting, for CAC, for business compliances generally. We are here to help you. So please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and share it with other business owners. So you also have repair and maintenance. You have professional fees like audit and consulting. If we render consulting service to you, it's a claimable deduction, allowable deduction to reduce your tax liability. Then we have marketing and transport costs, internet expenses. A whole lot of those expenses are claimable once you have evidence of their payments. So they are claimable. So here is the catch here. You must have proper record, receipts and documentation. No record, no deduction. If you don't have record, there is no deduction, because the tax authority will ask you, where is the evidence of what you said you want to claim? If you don't have evidence, then that is the end. That is the end. That's why you see tax authority, they will just slam some organization with heavy penalties because they don't have record. They will use BOJ, we call it best of judgment. They will use best of judgment, professional judgment, because you don't have the record, the documentation, the evidence. Structure your business, put process in place, put procedure in place, standard of procedure, SOP, set up an accounting. We are here to help you do all of these things, to help you stay compliant and reduce your tax liability legally. And that is why we are always showing up on this channel, always showing up to give you all these strategies, information that you don't know. So reach out to us, call us today. This is very important, and it will help your business to scale and thrive, and you save more money legally for yourself in your business. This will really help you. So moving on, we have number 2 here. The number 2 point here is that use capital allowances instead of depreciation. Of course, definitely, it is the accountant in their books that, of course, depreciate their non-current assets, which we call fixed assets. It is accountants that use depreciation. The tax authority use capital allowance. So capital allowance is the allowance that is given in place of depreciation. You use depreciation in your books, in your posting. They be allowing capital deduction instead of depreciation. So the depreciation is claimed on your non-current assets, your motor vehicle, your equipment, all those equipment that you use in your business. They are capital allowance. So use it to reduce your taxable income, your tax liability. Use it to reduce it. And this is legal. This is very, very legal. So we can help you to prepare your audited accounts, to file it, reduce your tax legally, reduce your tax liability in a legal way. So use capital allowances instead of this. So for companies, you don't deduct depreciation for tax. Instead, you claim capital allowances on assets like computers, all those assets, computers, your vehicles, your machineries, your furnitures and fittings. These are non-current assets, which we call fixed assets, right? You use it to claim tax deduction, and this can significantly reduce your taxable profit when used correctly, because after you get your profits, right, you can still claim capital allowance to reduce that profit further before you pay your tax. So please, if this is your first time of joining our YouTube live stream, please make sure you subscribe. We appreciate you joining this live streaming, and we know that all this practical information we are giving to you will help your business to scale and thrive in this year 2026. Then point number 3, pension contributions reduce tax as personal taxpayer, individual taxpayer. Your pension, all those statutory deductions that we have already given you in this YouTube channel, we have videos on there. Use all those statutory deduction like pension, like NHIS, NHISF, all those, life insurance, you claim capital, you claim tax deduction on them. So if you are paying pension as an organization, your staff, you can help them reduce their tax liability. So if you pay yourself a salary, contributing to a retirement savings account is tax deductible. They are tax deductible, so it is legal. So moving on, point number 4. So before the point number 4, this means that you reduce your tax today, right, while building your wealth tomorrow. And this is a smart move. All those statutory deductions that you are remitting, paying pension, it is for your future. In some years' time, you get all those statutory deduction back, your pension, you can withdraw your pension back. And when you withdraw it back, there's no tax on it. Pension are not tax deductible. They are not tax deductible. No matter the amount, they are not tax deductible. They are exempted from tax. So point number 4, take advantage of tax exempt income. There are some tax exempt income, which part of them is this statutory deduction. We have certain income that are tax free in Nigeria, such as gratuity. Gratuity is tax free. Pension for loss of employment, they are tax free. We have brought you video on 50 exemptions. 50 exemptions from tax. 50. We have brought you video on it. Check it out on our YouTube channel, so that you know how to reduce your tax liability legally. And you can reach out to us to help you plan your tax, give you tax strategies, tax planning, tax avoidance, and of course, we serve as your tax consultant to reduce your tax liability legally. Life insurance proceeds, they are exempted. If structured properly, this can lower your overall tax exposure. If you structure it properly, this is what we call tax strategy, tax planning, tax avoidance. It will help you to reduce your tax exposure legally. Then point number 5, relief. They are personal relief, right? In the old tax, we have consolidated relief allowance, but now we now have rent relief allowance, which is 20% of your annual rent, or maximum of 500,000. It's a relief, it's a personal relief for you. So you can use it to reduce your tax. So under the Personal Income Tax Act, you are entitled to 20% of your earned income. 20% of your earned income, whichever is higher, on your rent, you use it to reduce your tax liability. So this is very important. So many employees don't benefit fully because of their payee is wrongly computed. If your payee is wrongly computed, we help in the payroll computation. We can help you in your payroll to deduct the correct tax. We can help you to do 3 deductions, remit it, reduce your tax liability legally. We can help you. You reach out to us. In this Nigerian Tax Act 2025, which has taken effect from 1st of January 2026, is a win-win if you have the right knowledge of it, and we are the consultants. We can help you to take advantage of it legally. Then number 6 point, choose the right business structure. The right business structure. You need to choose the right one. Your tax burden can change depending on whether you operate as a sole proprietorship, that's business name, a partnership, or a limited liability company. So you need to know the level of your business. Are you to be registered as a business name, or as a limited liability company, or as an NGO? So you need to know what you are set out for. We have all these videos on this our YouTube channel, which you can watch, and you can reach out to us to serve as your consultant. For example, in this Nigerian Tax Act, for limited liability company, your threshold to not pay tax is 100 million turnover. If your turnover is 100 million and below, you are exempted from paying company income from development levy. Thank you very much. We appreciate. Mrs. Maiwa, we appreciate. Thank you very much. Thank you for your comment. Thank you for your support. Thank you. We appreciate you. And to all our subscribers, we appreciate you. Thank you for joining this live stream. Please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and share it to other business professionals that will need this information. So the business structure that you choose will determine the tax liability that you will have. So if you choose the right business structure, it will help you to reduce your tax liability. This is very important. So we have all this video on this YouTube channel. You can watch it. Then point number 7, free trade benefits. There are some businesses that are operating in the free trade zone, right? So if you operate in the free trade zone, you may enjoy corporate tax holidays. Free trade zone businesses, they enjoy corporate tax holidays. They are on holiday for tax, no payment of tax for like some have 3 years, 4 years, 5 years. Tax holidays, import duty exemptions. Yeah, import duty exemption. So that's why you need to know the business structure that your business you operate in, and we will give you advice on it. So when we help businesses to register their business name or their business with Corporate Affairs Commission, right? We try to understand their business and give them advice. Okay, your business should be registered as business name, should be registered as a company, and then they have access to all our corporate professional consulting services. They have access. So that is why when you choose us, right, you have access to all our other professional consulting services, and this is very important. So they have import duty exemptions, they have exemptions, and this is great for exporters and manufacturers. Those that are exporters and manufacturers, they have advantage in all of this. Then point number 8, loss relief. If you have loss, of course, if your business incur loss at the end of your financial year, you claim it, you claim those loss back. You can see that the Nigerian Tax Act is a win-win. Yes, it's a win-win. Like for example, in the 2025 financial year, if your business operate loss, you will claim back those loss from the tax authority. So if your business record a loss in 1 year, you can carry that loss forward to reduce future tax payments. And proper accounting is critical here. Proper accounting. If you don't have proper accounting, you cannot claim all these tax deduction, loss relief. You cannot claim them. See, as a business owner, as an entrepreneur, you need a consultant. Like TOSJOHN Consulting, you need us. Yes, you need us. You need us. There are some things that you cannot know. There is no how. It is we consultant that will know all of these things, that we will tell you, and then we will work with you, serve as your external auditor, tax consultant. We will reduce all this tax liability for you legally. Legally. It's very important. Then point number 9. Point number 9, as we are rounding off on this live streaming, is smart income timing. Smart income timing. This is very important. As a business owner, you can legally defer income to the next tax year. Defer income. You can defer your income to the next tax year. You can defer it. It is legal. Or bring forward expenses into the current year. Bring forward expenses into the current year. There must be evidence for this. You must have evidence. And you must place it on the law. This is what we call tax avoidance. It's tax avoidance. It is legal. We have IFRS standard, International Financial Reporting Standard, International Accounting Standard. Based on all those standards, you take advantage of them, right? Use it for smart income timing in your business to reduce your tax liability. This helps you to manage your tax bracket effectively. effectively, legally. So our advice to you, to all professionals, business owners, entrepreneurs all over the world, all over Nigeria, all over the world, work with a professional. We will bring you a video on this. We have said it over and over. You need a professional, you need a consultant. We are in this business to help you. We are your strategic business growth partner. Strategic business growth partner. So many Nigeria overpay tax simply because they don't understand the system. You cannot understand the system. We are the one, the stakeholders, right? We will help you understand it and we will work with you. So qualified tax consultant, qualified general accountant can save you more money than their professional fee. Whatever we are charging you as a professional fee, we will save you more than this. Imagine we serve a company as a tax consultant external auditor and we went for tax audit and the tax authority slammed them with 150 million to pay for the tax audit and we help them reduce it. How much will they pay us for a whole year? We reduce it legally, and that is why you must be compliant, because your compliance will give you an advantage. We protect you, we speak for you, it will advocate for you, speak for you, and we definitely will speak for you because we are working for you. We will tell the tax authority, look at the record, look at the information, look at the evidences of compliance, and the listing because we are consultants. The listing. So you cannot do it. You need a professional like TOSJOHN Consulting. So you need to reach out to us. So if you need help with tax planning, tax strategies, tax avoidance, payroll, audited accounts, CAC filing, registration, everything on CAC, business compliances, TOSJOHN Consulting is here. Always here 247 to help you. So reach out to us. Drop a comment. You need tax help, business strategies, and we will reach out to you, we'll connect with you. So don't forget to like, turn on your notification button, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and share this video with every business owner, entrepreneurs, and professional who need to hear this. This is a valuable, practical information that we are dishing out to you. So we are your professional consulting firm, your strategic business support partner. So feel free to reach out to us, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and share it with other business owners. So until we meet again in another live streaming, we are always showing up here. Please make sure you stay compliant, reach out to us, send us your question and your comments, and we'll attend to it. And if you need any of our professional services, we are willing and ready to work. Stay compliant and bye for now.